Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super useful tool that's going to make content creation a whole lot easy. So, let me introduce you to Mr. Fliki AI. If you've ever wanted to create professional quality videos using just text without needing a camera, a mic, or even a lot of time, then this tool is in perfect form for you. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what Fliki AI is, how to sign up, and of course, how to use it to create your own videos step by step. So let's get into it. Okie dokie. So before we actually start, let me explain what exactly Fliki AI is. Fliki AI. It's an AI-powered tool that allows you to turn text into videos in minutes. It's kind of similar to Pictory AI, but Fliki AI is perfect for anyone who doesn't have the time or equipment to create videos from scratch but still wants professional-looking results. With Fliki, you can turn blog posts, scripts, or even just a few lines of text into engaging videos with high-quality voiceovers. It's especially great for explainer videos, social media content, or educational videos. Basically, Fliki AI saves you hours of work by doing the heavy lifting for you, and the results are pretty amazing. Now, let me show you how to get started. To sign up for Fliki, head over to their website at fliki.ai and click on the Sign Up or Start for Free button in the top right corner. You can either sign up using your email or just log in with your Google account to make things even easier. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard where the magic happens. Now that we're logged in, let's create our first video. From your dashboard, click on New File, and this is where we'll start building our video. You'll need to give your project a title and select whether you want to create a video or an audio file. Once you've selected video, it's time to add your text. This is where you paste in the script, blog post, or any text you want turned into a video. For example, I'm going to paste in a short introduction, and from there, Fliki will automatically generate a video based on that text. Fliki will also create a voiceover for your video using AI. You can choose from different voice options based on your style, whether you want something more formal, friendly, or even dramatic. Let's go with a friendly, natural tone for this one. I think that fits the vibe of the channel. Once you've picked your voice, you can even adjust the speed and tone to make it sound just right. Alright, we've got the voiceover done. Now, let's talk visuals. Fliki will automatically suggest visuals based on the text you've added, but you can customize this as much as you want. You can choose from a library of stock videos and images, or upload your own if you have specific media you want to use. For example, if I'm talking about digital marketing, I can select relevant visuals from the library to match the script. It's all drag and drop, so you can quickly add or replace clips. So once you've added all the visuals you need, you can preview your video to see how it looks. The great thing about Fliki is that it syncs the voiceover with the visuals automatically, so your video flows smoothly. If anything looks off, you can easily adjust the timing of the visuals. Now, before we head to the next step, let's add some subtitles. Fliki can generate subtitles for you automatically, and you can customize the font, size, and position to fit your style. This is super helpful if you want to make your content more accessible or if you're posting on social media where viewers often watch videos without sound. Once everything looks good, hit the Export button and you're done. Fliki will process the video, and you'll be able to download it in just a few minutes. You can then share your video on YouTube, social media, or wherever you need it. And the best part? It looks like you spent hours editing, but you didn't. So let's preview the video again.
Your future is key of life. But did you ask yourself what is the good choice to have your future life in the best light? What should you do to have more time, passive income, and a lot of good energy? In one word, to have freedom. The answer is creating a self-income process through the business is the best choice. So I represent you a digital marketing.
Okay, so that was a preview of AI-generated video and subtitles which we customized. So now let's head to the next step. Here on the left side in the corner, as you can see the option which says Idea, Prompt. Now, I could say that this tool may be perfect for content creating through social media or YouTube post. Just to let you know, on the free trial, you have a limited, let's say, trying attempts. So because of that, I'm not able to show you how exactly it works, but I will explain you in the way so you can understand. So right here, as you can see, is an example of script which is performed for generating AI video. Let's say, for example, that you are a content creator based on motivational posts. Now the process is very simple. You write a script and Fliki will start generating an AI audio and subtitles. But you will have an ability to export your own photos and videos or use an AI photos and videos, which Fliki AI generated. Now here we got blog to video. If you have ever used Pictory AI, then you probably know how the process is. But for those who don't know, the process of blog to video is based that you copy and paste a link from photo, website, etc. And then Fliki AI will start processing video based on that blog link that you copy and pasted. For customizing subtitles, exporting and downloading the video is the same concept, so you don't need to worry about anything. Then here we got ability transforming presentations into stunning videos. Here we got a product option, which is based, for example, if you have your own dropshipping business, you can use this, and the Fliki AI will transform your website and products into videos, so you can use them for a simple marketing ad video, for example. So here we got tweet, transform your Twitter aka X post into AI-generated videos. And here, as you can see, you have an ability to start creating your video from empty file with AI tools for adding voiceover and customizing videos or pictures. Here are also abilities for audio, which are based on your script that you wrote and blog links you post. And also here is the empty file to start creating video from scratch. Now, as you see, the last ability says design, which provides 4 different options. The first one is creating a thumbnail based on your script. The second one is creating engaging social posts. For the third one, I can definitely say it's amazing because you have an ability to create literally a presentation project based on your script. And the last one, like I said before, is an empty file aka ability to start creating video from scratch. Now, before I go, let me share a couple of tips to help you get the most out of Fliki AI. Tip number 1. Make sure to break your script into short paragraphs or sentences. This helps the AI sync visuals and voiceover more naturally and keeps your video engaging. Tip number 2. Play around with different voices and visuals. The more specific you are with your text and media, the more professional your final video will look. And finally, tip number 3. Don't be afraid to experiment. Fliki is super flexible, so try different formats from explainer videos to product demos and see what works best for your style. And that's it. Fliki AI is such an awesome tool for creating videos quickly, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned content creator. I hope this tutorial helps you get started, and now you can make your own videos in no time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tutorials and tips. And if you create something awesome with Fliki, drop a link in the comments. I'd love to see your work. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.